And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. As you see, we're in the computer room. This is a comment about a good supplier. See these? I ordered them yesterday. About 7 a.m. I called McMaster. The nice young man said, "Is this Poppy's workshop, Wayne A. Carr?" I said, "Yes, it is." And he said, "Are you still at yada, 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 Clear Lake, California, 95422? And I say, "Yes." And he said, "Well, what do you want?" Gave him the stock number for these. And he said, "Okay, is that going to be card number ending in 5 star, star, star?" And I said, "No, there's a new card." And I read him the number, the expiration date, and that 3-number code to prove it's me. And I can spend the money. And then we talked for a minute or so, and I told him, "Be safe, because I hear it's really, really bad down in Los Angeles." And Los Angeles is a hot spot for COVID-19 Delta 9 infection. So I meant it when I told him, stay safe. Why am I telling you this? You see that? Poppy's got a McMaster Carr catalog. I may have had to snivel. The AVE shot his with a rifle, posted a video. And you won't even sell me one. Snivel, moan, snivel some more. 2 days later, McMaster Carr showed that they listen. I told you. I just called. He said, "Is this Poppy's workshop, Wayne A. Carr?" He was looking at, his telephone. And he tickled the ivories on his computer. Up here. Tickled the ivories on his computer and said, "Oh, the Poppy's workshop, Wayne A. Carr." Class act. And I'm not being sarcastic. I'm being straight up with you. McMaster Carr is a class act. None of this, "Well, we got to order it from China in stock." When I was looking for these, I half-heartedly, did a Google search for 1032 Allen 2-inch thread length. And I got all kinds of people say they sell Allen screws. And I'll look around in their site and they don't have the ones I want. "Oh, you can go downtown to the Ace Hardware." Ace Hardware doesn't carry grade 8 hardware. Yeah. And I seriously doubt they were going to have what I wanted. The last time I called them, do you have any of these? What's that? Well, aren't you supposed to know? I just paid me to answer the phone. I wanted to tell them, hey, tell your boss to send you back to Retards R Us so you can rake leaves where you know what you're freaking doing. Anyway, McMaster Carr, class act. No bullshit.